I will give the demonstration about how to do case2 laboratory lab without installing any software. I will give the website link in the description below. You can check it out. After clicking that link, you will redirect to this page. You have to click sign up button if you don't have any account earlier. After giving sign up, you can verify your email address. Then you want to enter your details in username and password. After signing in, you can enter into the dashboard of GenMy model. You can see here your username and your mail ID. This is your account. This is your cloud space. Here I have already created one project called passport automation. Let's see this project. Here you can see here a use case diagram is drawn, and component diagram, sequence diagram, activity diagram. 4 diagram for this project already have done. If you click open in editor means it will go for editor. You can make changes or add any other diagrams. If you want to download this diagram also, here option is given. You can download this diagram as PNG, JPEG or SVG. Now let's see how to create a new project. After you created new account, here you can see new project. Click this. Here you can see some categories about in what category you want to create your project. For case2 laboratory, I can just click UML. Here you can see import XML, public repository and blank project. We can choose any one of this. I choose blank project. Let's name this project as e-ticketing. Default diagram, I kept it as a class diagram. Make it as public. Okay, then create it. Here you can see project called e-ticketing, public. This is the category of UML. Created date and time is given here. Last modified also mentioned here. Okay, this is your account. Here project is created, and e-ticketing, it's our project name. You can see here options are given. If you want to delete this project means we can delete it. Copy means we can copy it, and all other projects are given. For open in editor, we want to give this. It's opened in new tab. You can see this is the dashboard. After clicking the open in editor, I am redirect to the editor page where I can create diagrams for e-ticketing project. It will take some time. Let's wait. Okay, this is the editor. Here file option is here. Inside the file, new diagram. If you want to, after created the diagram, here export options are there. Export documentation, export as XML with diagrams, export as XML, export as image. Okay, for this project these options are there. If you want to log out, you can click this. For diagrams, you can click new diagram. Here list of some 8 diagrams are here. Okay, in which diagram you want to create, you can click that. Okay, in the tools tab, here you can see some options are given. Then view, we can zoom in, zoom out, and grid view all here. For help, you can use this tab. Okay, this is our file explorer. Like Visual Studio Code, it will display which folder inside that what are the files are have, like that. Here inside the e-ticketing, what diagrams we have created and what are the classes, what are the components we created, will displayed here. this is the project. Generate means if we want to generate the code means we can use this, like Java generate. We want to create a code in Java means we can simply use this generate. Here you can see tool generate. Here Java language is here. After creating the whole project diagram, you can simply click generate Java means zip file, Java zip file is downloaded here. Some view and then properties, or visibility is public, name is e-ticket. If you want to rename this, you can use this tab. Okay, let's start with the diagram. You can see here header file is class diagram because I given it as default class diagram, so it displayed like a class diagram. If I want to create any other diagram means new diagram, let's create a use case diagram. Okay, already I have created the manual of e-ticketing, so I just try to draw this diagram. For use case only we need it, so you can close all other tabs. For use case, first drag and drop the actor, then for connection you can use this association. Simply click this and again click, drag and drop. For each and every diagram you can make use of it. If you want to delete any component means you can just click it. Okay, it will shows as a red mark and click delete, and now you can choose delete option, or else you can right click that component and delete from model means it will delete it. Okay, now if we want to rename this means what we can do, let's see. Okay, if we want to rename this means we can just double tap the name and type it which name we required. Okay, likewise if we done for all entities means our use case diagram get completed. Let's create next word diagram. I will show demonstration for class diagram. For class diagram we can use the tab called class. Here you can see create a new class. This is if you hover over the components means it will automatically show the title what it will do. Here you can see second object will create one new class. Okay, click this. Here you can give the name of the class, its system. Then attribute, you can see show train list and issue form. Then provide payment options. These three are the operations of the system class. Okay, there are three operations. Here you can see, okay, this is the class which we have created before. If we click this class once means it will show some components around it. Okay, by using this component we can create the attributes of this class. Here you can see if you click this means it will add a public attribute, not an operation, it's an attribute. Then this is protected, this is private, and this is operation. In this system class we need three operation, so we can click this three times. Then we can rename it show train list. Okay, now you can see show train list. Here also show train list. Likewise you can rename this also. Then another class I will create it. Here this name is passenger. It has two attributes and five operations. Let's see how to create this. Here three attributes are there: private, public, and protected. Here these two all private, I think so. So let's create the private attribute two times and the operations of three times, three or five times. Okay, attribute here name. This is a data type. We have to give one string. Okay, name colon string. Then number colon integer. Okay, number colon integer. Then operations we can rename it. Afterwards we have to create the association, this relationship and all. Let's see the example how to create relationship between these two classes. Here you can see n and 1 relationships they have with arrow mark of okay. Okay, here after you created this relationship you can see some two names are there. Okay, you can delete it by simply double click on it. Likewise in passenger also. Here 0.01 and 01 are there, but we need only 1 and n. So you can click this and select 1. Here you can click this and select star. Star means many, that represent n also, no problem. Okay, this is what the class diagram is. You can create another class and give relationship as usual. Let's see what's the next diagram. Sequence diagram. Go to file and new diagram and sequence diagram. Here you can see components are listed here in left side. First we need passenger actor. where we have actor. Okay, first generate the lifeline. System controller. Okay, here we rename it as system. Here we want first one is login. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 executions are there. 2, 3, 4. You can drag and drop this to extend the line. Okay, I have given 4. Another 4 I want to insert. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, then if you want to give a relationship, means as usual let's include another lifeline, then it will be easy for us. Okay, here let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth one train details. Okay, okay, we want to extend it. Okay, what's the call? Train details. Sorry, 5 dot train details. Fine, then what's the reply? There is no any reply. Okay, sorry, I want to use asynchronous. There is no reply, no, for that. Okay, if we create this, let's make it for 5. Okay, for fifth one we have to give train details. Okay, completed. Likewise, you can create this thing. If you want to include comment also, you can include it. That's it for sequence diagram. Then next one for ticket cancellation, again on sequence diagram. Here a collaboration diagram is there. Let's go for file, new, and collaboration diagram. Here collaboration diagram is not there. Next, activity diagram. Okay, activity diagram. What is here? Starting with circle. Initial node, they have already given it initial node and activity final. Okay, in between we have to create login action. Then reservation and cancellation. Decision, we have to make it decision. After that reservation and cancellation. Then likewise decision and action also. Let's see how to connect these and all. Here control flow arrow is there, so we can use this to connect these two, to connect this two. Okay, then from decision there is two control flow. What is this object flow? Perfect. Okay, let's make it here. Okay, likewise you can create further nodes and connect it all, then you can get the activity diagram. Next is component diagram. What we have to insert in component diagram: application, online reservation system. Here you can see component tools are there. This one is given there. What's the name? Application, online reservation system. I think so, this part. Here it is application, right? Here it is online reservation system. We have to extend it, then only every value will displayed here. Okay, successfully created component diagram. Okay, in here these diagrams are given. If you have a diagram for state and object also, you can do it. For state diagram, same as activity diagram, there is some tools you can use this and draw. Then for object diagram, as usual we have seen earlier, right? Instant, port, slot, dependency and link. You can, by using this we can draw the object diagram. But for this e-ticketing, only 5 diagram is there, so I have created 5 diagram, but not yet completed. I just give a demo. Okay, if I try to complete means time will take more, so just I have created the layout. I didn't rename or complete the diagram. First, just for demo I done this 5 diagrams. You can complete your project by renaming those all and including all classes and all components. After completing this 5 diagram full, you can go for the file, sorry, tools, and generate and Java. Once you complete your project, you can click generate Java. Now you can see here application.zip file is given. This is what the Java file created for our project. Here you can see inside the source e-ticketing, this is our project. Here you can see some Java files are there. Okay, for our diagram, 3 4 5 6 Java files are generated for our 5 diagrams. Okay, this is how we can do our project in online without installing any online software. For case to laboratory, and I have given one demo for e-ticketing experiment, how to draw the use case diagram, activity diagram, component diagram, and all. I think this video will be useful for you. Thank you.